Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. 91,000 tons of rice will come from India.
Cocoa, coffee, and tea push up global food import bill for wealthier countries.
Cevagenesis, the latest innovation for broiler production.
2024 rice production in South Korea fell by 3.2%, marking the third year of decline.
Committee concluded findings on the prevention of pesticide residues in rice shipments to the EU.
Kargil surpasses 1 million enrolled acres in Kargil Region Connect, advancing farmer adoption of regenerative agriculture.
FAO Food Price Index rises in October, to the highest level in 18 months.
Keeps announces IMSA Golden Ticket Award.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.